Right, pop.
Soloing.
Operators. Fuck. Whiff. I can sort of the right one.
Destruction. Destruction.
Operator in 2.
Bomb back left.
He's coming free.
Free. Cure engineers. Holy monkey fuck. Jesus, that guy's
Gotta
big.
move a lot of myself.
I'll roar if you want.
My side's done, let's go.
Still done.
Destruction.
Oh, I can't click whilst in a thing? Kidding me?
He's debuffed.
That's on your dwarf.
Okay, let's head over now.
Gonna release.
Tranking.
Get ready to go on the dude. Go.
Next one is debuffed. It's on Ragged.
He's in place.
Ready for hero, gonna pop soon.
No, no, we're using on
It's
third.
not.
Don't pot, don't pot, guys. Did you fire pot, fire elementalist, dude?
He revived. He's on top.
Kill green. Gonna get the fire for us.
Dispel.
I forgot to say, guys.
Bear.
See, if you don't have the fire debuff, you can actually be a bit closer to the elementalist. We should all be hanging around kind of near the elementalist.
UK do a cooldown.
Slag's gonna
He's
die
on the
soon.
block now.
Hot now,
Good arrow.
hot guys.
He's on top.
So when this dude dies, hunters and dwarfs go straight onto the engineers. Security guards even.
Yeah, but laugh.
I was speaking, I didn't get the dispel, I think. So I didn't miss it. Didn't get it either.
Just kill green and we'll be fine.
The hunters and that
Which
can
one is
still go
reviving?
on the fucking other ship. We can
It's
finish
It's
this.
on
dead
Ragger.
now. Ragger, it's
Ragger.
on you. X is in position.
Remember, you can hang around kind of near the primal elementalist. Give everyone room that's going to be with the
Tracking.
fire rough.
Frog crosses on you.
Frog, come in.
Ready to swap. Swap now. Finally.
Even down.
Rolnick green's on you.
Yeah, go on the green.
Dispel primal.
Dispel?
Dispel it. Did I get it?
Green's dying now, go on the elementalist.
Is there much shit to kill, Ginny?
1.5. A total of
Fire
1.
code.
It's orange and diamond. New guard. I need a bit of focus on this guard.
No, we need to focus on the fire callers first. Fire callers first.
Just diamond left. I get
Okay,
going.
rally.
I close it down.
Reaper sack arrow.
Ragger, your cooldown is coming up.
Put the security guards through the bus.
First melt is also watch machine. Need to move the bus if you can.
Mage cooldown.
Used.
Mage cooldown.
To move the bus again.
Double pot if you haven't. Side hit heroism for anyone who got rest.
Done. Need to move again.
We can sort it to arrow, I believe.
Crank and 5.
One from G user straight away or?
Yep.
Are you looking for space? Moving then.
We got one raw, one fox if you want to use it.
Ragger, yours.
Let's stay back. I think there's plenty of space.
Sildo, can you move away? Because I've got a fixed thing, I don't want to kill you.
Yeah, there's lots of space at the moment, guys. You don't need to
Melt
go
is
so
right
fast.
next
There's
to
a
the bus.
right next to
Build
the
in the
bus.
front.
Need to move.
Dexter.
You will need to move, guys. Draw. Don't move so fast. Watch for these things, because I think you're moving a touch too quick at the moment.
Wait last dagger.
We've got
I'll
two
go.
reses, res 2.
Move, guys. Move the bus.
Salami in 2.
You just relax, guys.
Needs help, folks.
Yeah,
Soft
health
and
turns,
rage.
guys, and
UK.
Bloodless for those that died.
Numbing dead.
So move again. Using mage cooldown.
Them.
Need to move again.
Ironbark me there.
Two suppressors if you want.
Good job. Nice guys, okay.
GG, so glad this
Die, bastard. Die!
Good
Enrage.
job, guys.
Fuck
Whee!
this boss. Fuck
I
everything
couldn't
I
survive it.
rolled.